Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy chicken salad. First, let's gather our simple ingredients to create this delicious dish. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, a half cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. For extra flavor, consider adding a 1/4 cup of red onion, a half cup of halved grapes, and a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. Don't forget salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of fresh dill to taste. Preparing your chicken is the next crucial step for a perfect chicken salad. If you're using cooked chicken breast, you can easily shred it using 2 forks, pulling the meat apart until it's in small, manageable strands. Alternatively, you can dice your chicken into half-inch pieces for a chunkier texture. It's important that your chicken is completely cooled before you combine it with the other ingredients to prevent the mayonnaise from separating and to maintain a fresh taste. Now for the fun part, combining everything. In a large bowl, add your prepared chicken, mayonnaise, and all your diced vegetables like celery and red onion. Mix these ingredients gently until everything is well combined. Then, carefully fold in your grapes and pecans. This helps keep them intact and adds a lovely crunch. Give it a taste and adjust the salt, pepper, or dill to your liking. You want a balanced flavor that truly sings. Your yummy chicken salad is almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve your delicious creation on flaky croissants, crisp lettuce wraps, or with your favorite crackers. It's also fantastic in a sandwich or as a simple side dish. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy every bite of your homemade, easy chicken salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.